Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. I welcome you all for this capsule module for current affair. दोस्तों आज हम बात करने वाले हैं शक्ति बिल which is महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट का बिल है on sexual crime. It is known as शक्ति एक्ट. दोस्तों ये बिल्कुल भूलिएगा मत, ये नाम याद रखिएगा. एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दिस इज वेरी क्रूशियल. आज के इस सेशन में वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट इज दिस बिल ऑल अबाउट, व्हाट आर द मेजर चेंजेस. ठीक है, आई बिलीव कि examinations like MHCET, okay, and ALAT will definitely ask question on this, okay, because this is a very important bill, changes IPC and CRPC in a big way. Okay, let's try and understand this. Okay, चलिए देखते हैं. सबसे पहली बात करते हैं कि ये नए लॉ की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी. नए लॉ की जरूरत इसलिए पड़ी क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट को ऐसा लग रहा है that there are so many cases of violence happening against children and women इन द नेम ऑफ सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटीज. ठीक है, और उनको ऑनलाइन सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर भी बहुत गलत गलत तरीके से उनके साथ क्राइम होता रहता है. सो टू प्रोटेक्ट देम इट इज प्रोवाइडेड. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव? टू हैव एन इफेक्टिव कंट्रोल टू हीनस सेक्सुअल ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट विमेन and children. It is very important to have a faster investigation, or there has to be a clear timeline for the investigation processes, and there has to be stringent punishment for the, you can say, hard crimes, okay, or heinous crime. So there is specific penalty, stringent punishments, time frame. These are the factors being considered. Okay, I think this is very crucial. So what are the key features? Remember, the bill proposes to make various changes in IPC, Indian Penal Code, CRPC, and Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. तीन महत्वपूर्ण बिल को ये चेंज करने के बारे में बात करता है. Okay, there are changes proposed in various sections related to rape, sexual harassment, acid attack, and child sexual abuse. क्या चेंजेस है एक एक करके देखते हैं. पहला, there will be death penalty. The bill proposes death penalty in the cases of rape, gang rape, or rape by person in authority, or aggravated sexual assault of minor in cases of acid attack when there is a grievous injury is caused. So this is a big change. दोस्तों, death penalty is proposed in cases when the crime is of heinous nature. Okay, so this is, we can say, on a rarest of rare kind of scenario it is proposed. Okay, rarest of rare. This is not by default. Okay, remember that it is in the rarest of rare cases, but yes, it is clearly mentioned that there is a death penalty. What about fine? So it proposes a very heavy fine up to the amount of 10 lakh rupees if someone is found guilty. The existing law had a provision for fine, but there is no amount which is described. Now this is very clearly mentioning about this 10 lakh fine. Okay, another point is the punishment is considered to be now little longish. Okay, earlier there was a punishment of 5 year. It is proposing to change to 7 year, and 7-year punishment has to be changed to, we can say, 10 year. Okay, something very crucial is speedier investigation. Here they are proposes to change CRPC, where they are saying that after the FIR is filed, okay, there is, you can say, complete investigation has to be done in 15 days. It may get extended for 7 more days. If it is not done within this time period, investigation officer has to explain why the delay is happening, and that should be a written report sent to the commissioner. Okay, now this is very crucial. I believe this will help large number of cases to be sorted at very early stage. Okay, at the same time, The trial, after this investigation is done, the trial has to be done in 30 days. This is also very important. Okay, this is also very important. An appeal filed before higher court is proposed to be disposed of within 45 days. In the lower court, that is sessions court, it is within 30 days, and if there is appeal, it is 45 days. It also proposes to set up exclusive court for this purpose. This is very crucial. We need exclusive courts. With more and more cases are coming in, and such kind of speed is needed. We need special courts to manage such kind of challenges. At the same time, one very important thing, there is additional law made for abuses on women and children on social media. There are so many people who can say who commit this kind of crime. Okay, and for this crime there are no specific support available. Possibly Shakti law is giving this better support, which is a criminal law. However, in Information Technology Act there is a clear support available. Okay, however, this IPC related major changes are being brought in through this. Okay, so for example, section 3454E is added to include intentional acts creating a sense of danger, intimidation, or fear in the mind of women apart from insulting her modesty. So this was a provision earlier there. Okay, so insulting woman's modesty by act, by words, okay, through offensive communication, it was there, but there was no word like danger, intimidation, or fear. Now that word has been used. Okay, now that will possibly support many women, that will support many women. Okay, why? Because if women are complaining that such kind of messages are creating trouble, for example, morphed video of women threatening them, okay, with respect to uploading a photo or a video which may be defaming them. Okay, so I'm sure you know there are so many cases are happening where you can say woman is being threatened to, you can say, publish her video on online mode, okay, or a photo, or which is in a morphed scenario. This is very important. At the same time, provisions for false information and implied consent, which is very important part being provided. Remember, the bill makes provision for making false complaint or provides false information in respect of offense committed, stating that anyone who does that solely with the intention of humiliating or extorting or defaming someone or threatening to defame or harass someone, okay, that person shall face imprisonment up to a year, okay, or fine or both. This is very important. False information, ये बड़ी परेशानी है। और एक और पार्ट है इम्प्लाइड कंसेंट। बहुत बार, ठीक है, विमेन को एट द प्रॉमिस ऑफ मैरिज सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटी करी जाती है, ठीक है, कंसिडरिंग दैट बोथ पार्टीज हैव कंसेंट, बट देन यू कैन से पोस्ट दैट, you can say marriage is, the commitment of marriage is revoked. Okay, now that may be a problem. Okay, so here it is, you can say, consider that what is implied consent, किसको हम implied consent मानेंगे, किसको हम valid convert करेंगे, किसको हम invalid करेंगे, उसके बारे में भी clear idea देके रखा हुआ है. At the same time, there is registry will be maintained which is called Women and Children Offenders Registry. This registry will have the list of people who have committed crimes against women and children. Okay, there will be special police team which will be developed, okay, for managing this kind of, you can say, crime. At the same time, it will become one-stop center for providing rehabilitation, legal aid, counseling, medical support to women and children. This is very important. Okay, this is very critical. At the same time, you know, there is a big change which is coming up in this protection of children from Sexual Offences Act, which is called POCSO 2012. Okay, this is a very important law, दोस्तों. It's a very comprehensive law to protect children against sexual offenses. Okay, this is very crucial. Okay, now here they have also modified for speedy trial. Okay, there will be special codes will be provided. What are the important amendment? Okay, it recently increased minimum punishment from 7 years to 10 years. Anyone who is, we can say, convicted under this act, okay, will have a minimum punishment of 10 years. It also furthers, we can say, adding one important part: when a person commits a penetrative sexual assault on a child below the age of 16 years, he will be punishable with imprisonment up to 20 years to or life imprisonment with a fine. ठीक है दोस्तों, this is very important. At the same time, there are two more grounds for, you can say, added for the definition of aggravated penetrative sexual assault. It includes assault resulting in the death of a child, or assault committed during a natural calamity or any similar situation of violence. इसको भी इन्होंने पॉक्सो में ऐड करके ये लेवल तक उसको बढ़ाने की कोशिश करी है. आई थिंक such changes are very crucial for our country. Okay, in today's time, a lot of problems are facing, a lot of problems are happening to children and, you can say, women, and thereby it is very crucial. I hope this entire bill is very clear. What are the important changes are there is provided in this video. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you very much. So my dear students, do not miss out to like this video, share our channel to large number of your friends. It is very important so that your friends who are part of the legal fraternity, they will get to know a lot of things about such kind of laws, such kind of current affair modules. Okay, and at the same time, you can say, do not miss out to take this PDF from protalentdigital.com. My dear friends, on protalentdigital.com, we are bringing this modules with a PDF available. courses.protalentdigital.com के ऊपर we have modules available. ठीक है, you can very well purchase our study material, ठीक है, test series and, you can say, online courses. Okay, thank you very much for coming here and watching this. All the best.